The 2024 Chevy Silverado's infotainment system can experience freezes or black screens despite improvements. A soft reboot, also called a hard reset, clears temporary memory and is ideal for minor glitches. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and restarts. A factory reset erases all user data and restores the system to its original state, useful for persistent issues. Access this via Settings, then System, then Reset Options. It requires a confirmation code to prevent accidental loss. For newer models, factory resets are best done by a dealer to avoid voiding the warranty. Black screens often result from software crashes, overheating, or connection problems. First, ensure the vehicle is on and has sufficient battery. Try a soft reboot as described earlier. Chevrolet rolled out OTA updates addressing these issues, so ensure your system is up to date. If problems persist, a dealer visit might be necessary. Remember to always perform resets with the vehicle parked and ignition on to prevent electrical issues. Back up your data before a factory reset, as it will disconnect all paired devices. In some cases, diagnostic tools like the OnStar app can perform remote resets.